Old Alabama Gardener here, and today I'm going to be talking about making ginger water, or you could call it ginger tea. Some recipes will tell you a few slices of ginger, but what does that mean? I don't bother to peel the ginger, but I do brush it with a good brush under running water to get it good and clean. I would use a good water, but not something straight out of the tap because of the chlorine. Once it stops boiling and you're into the simmer mode, you can put a lid on it. Now here I'm talking about reheating it, just using a regular saucepan on the stove. But it's actually just as good just to drink it cold, like right out of the refrigerator. Now you see me rolling this lemon, and what that does is it breaks down the tissue inside the lemon, and you can actually extract a little bit more juice out of the lemon when you roll it this way. Putting lemon juice in it is optional. If you don't want lemon juice in it, don't do it. And likewise with the honey. If you're diabetic and you don't need the sugar, okay, well, leave it out. Neither the honey or the lemon juice are part of the beneficial aspects of this drink, so it will be just as good for you without them. Actually, it's pretty good. I'm making a face, but I'm just playing with you. It's actually pretty good. Still a little bit hot, but and as you drink it, you'll feel, I call it the ginger burn. You know how ginger gives you that little burning sensation. Well, you'll get a little ginger burn here. So anyhow, you know what I'm going to say next, don't you? Wish I could share this cup of ginger water with you. It's supposed to be really good for you. Helps with your digestion. It's supposed to help with losing weight, burning off some of that fat. So what you do is you have 1 cup of this before breakfast, empty stomach, and you have 1 cup before supper in the evening. So that's the way you take it. Here's to you.